Welcome to this live stream. Yeah, I'm Coach Neighbors. Hope this ain't too much over the top. So if you guys been following me, if you had trouble logging on to the website last week because it was down because it got hacked. I expect them to be doing something. Yeah, I do. And you know what? We learn from what they're doing. So I can't comment to Facebook, so I don't care about Facebook. For some reason, it won't let me make a comment. Well, it won't let me leave a comment. So I think we're figuring out a couple of things anyway. Oh, here we go. Okay, there we go. Okay, and we're just going to get rolling here. Okay, so Pro Center, welcome to the Pro Say Hack the Website live stream. They hacked into my website and caused me to lose several days of people calling, trying to get in to get stuff done. So what are we going to do about that, Coach? Well, right now, we're going to have a hack the website sale. If you need something off the website, you need to call me. I'll tell you how much you're going to be saving by getting what you need now. Yeah, on this weekend. This is the weekend for the hack website live stream sale that we have in the hack sale. 913-240-0227. They got me jacked on Facebook, so I can't leave a comment, but I can make a new band. Yeah, right there. 913-240-0227.